So I'm back with the switch. I got the switch out. There's a little push button switch that holds this in. You push it on top right there. And you have a ground that hooks to here. I pulled the ground off. Now, where's the new switch? Where did I put it? Oh, it's in here. Yeah, there it is. So what you gotta do is you gotta put this back in like so. And there's like a little divot right here that hooks into here. So you gotta have this up straight. I'll put it in right here. And then we push that in. Gotta push the button to get it in there. That's in there now. And then you turn the little connection screw. Tighten that up all the way. It's a fairly nice design, whoever designed this. Nice engineering there. I presume you tighten this as tight as you can get it. Alright. That's tight. Whoop. There it is. Okay. That on there. Now to plug this baby in. Oh, the underneath lights are working now. So there's definitely something wrong with that light switch. My dash is working now. Everything works. That's a plus. I don't think I have that plug in all the way though. It's gotta go in much further. There we go. I guess that's good. Everything works. Alright, that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. Okay. Check on back. I'm going to be doing more videos of quick fixes. I'll put all this back together and we'll test it out. Take it for a ride. Alright. Catch y'all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.